Hey guys, just gonna say here, welcoming you back to my Let's Play of Legend of Mana. Last time we went into the Olken Mines and fought a boss that I hate very much. This time we're going to return to Olken Mines. So, because Watts is back in his workshop, and he's a blacksmith, I want to go see if I can learn to be a blacksmith. I know he appears. I lost my trusty hammer, so my work isn't going well at all. If you see it anywhere, please give it back to me, will you? Yeah. Much thanks. If you just get my hammer back, why, I'd teach you how to blacksmith. Watts drops the hammer. So, and just to save some time, I'm going to go this way. Dudbear Express. This takes us to the Dudbear's hideout, which the hammer is right here. I'll deal with these guys later. Let me look at my stuff. I have Somersault, and I have Cheer. I want to do Crouch and Jump. Oh, these are specters, okay. I wonder, can I perform a, no. Having crouch and having jump will give us an ability called high jump. This is an oddity. It's a really odd one too. It reminds me of it reminds me of a bobblehead. That's what it reminds me of. Oh, there's high jump right there. Huh. Cool. Now with high jump and somersault, we can get moon jump. So the last 11 parts have been me not worrying about about my special techniques. I need to fix that. So, excuse me. So right now I am making my way to back to Watts after picking up the hammer. Oh wow, cool. I didn't even know that. Pressing both of the buttons together gives you the move that you'll get. So this is moon jump. They killed my rabbit. Hey, I like the look of my health bar. My health bar had an orange tinge to it, which means the next level up I get, I'll have a yellow bar. That's not the special technique I wanted to use! I just realized that I wanted to use Spiral Wave, not Lunging Arc. Whatever, screw it. It killed him. I'm happy. Let's go. I believe right here. Well, that's my hammer! Give it back, you! Youngsters these days take anybody's things. Watts is an airhead. That's not what I meant. Gwahaha! I forgot I asked you to bring it back. Please forget what I said. Don't hate me. Watts drops the hammer. End. You know what? Screw it. I feel we have enough time to do the follow-up. It's only 6 minutes. It's only 6 minutes, and I can't do it with leaving you guys with a short video. That's just not how it works. So, I'm going to be doing the next event in this episode. Sweet. That means that this does not have any impact on the amount of videos you're getting today. You're still getting 3. So that just means that the second video, I'm going to have a lot of anguish. Ish. So, after doing Watts Drops the Hammer, we can head back to the workshop. Whoa! I just finished making the blacksmith he asked for. Ah, youngsters these days don't know the meaning of gratitude. You never asked me? Great Scott! So what did I... Oh, now I get it. Wahaha! I got so caught up in building the smithy, I forgot I came to thank you. Please forget what I said. Don't hate me. I'll tell you how to make weapons, so have a heart. First, first, come on in. The Path of the Blacksmith. This is also a really short one, too. The equipment smithy. That's it. You've got it. It's all in the hammer. The right hit makes the right sound. It's all in the hammer. Keep doing it for about 1,000,000 times and you'll be the right craftsman. Let's ask him about forging. It's the same for both weapons and armor. Choose the materials and forge it with your hammer. However, the basic power is not decided by the materials. It's decided by the materials, not your hammer and skill. You need to work on your hammer skills. 1,000,000 strikes. Altering. To make alterations, you first choose an item. It may affect ability bonuses and elemental property levels, depending on the mystic powers contained therein. That all depends on the item, not your blacksmithing. You need to work on your hammer skills. 1,000,000 strikes. The effect that the materials have is really quite simple. You can tell by looking at various statistics after you've forged something. It'll come naturally after making a few pieces. You can't change the material's properties by using your hammer, I'm afraid. Making alterations will affect the statistics depending on what item you use. It's like increasing attack power or changing elemental property levels. Although you can't always tell what the effect is right away. If you keep altering a piece, you'll start to see a difference, but it doesn't matter how many times it's tempered. Mystic powers. Minuscule changes occur through altering, and mystic powers are the embodiment of these changes. When the energy of these changes becomes strong enough, the energy of change can be brought about, and then it affects the piece's abilities and parameters. But it won't work just by hitting it with your hammer. Good job! I was lying about the 1,000,000 strikes. But when I was a lad, my master trained me to be like that too. Now you're able to make any weapon or armor, but you'll need materials. Since you're just starting out, I'll give you this. Meadows Bronze. Well, I'll be going then. Good luck to you. Did I give you the materials for weapons and armor? I thought I brought some to give to you, seeing as you're just starting out. You can lie? and he'll give you another Meadows Bronze, I'm gonna do it. Oh, I didn't I? Then I almost forgot. Since you're just starting out, I'll give you this. Another Meadows Bronze. Alright then, keep it up and you'll be a fine blacksmith. The Path of the Blacksmith. The end. That was a bow-type weapon that was displayed. Oh, that's really gonna be handy for me. Oh, wow. I'm looking at the list of events that I need to do, and because I did 2 this episode, that means my plans have actually changed. I was gonna do, I was gonna do Path of the Blacksmith for the 2nd episode today, and and the event after that, which I had planned for the 3rd episode. Now you're gonna be getting the third episode's event for the 2nd episode, and I gotta do one of my favorite events for the 3rd episode. Nice! But this has been JJ Gone Insane, signing off. I'll see you guys next time.